Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So on the euro dollar, I still do believe that it's probably more likely that it will make its way down and take out these lows, making like a one down, three up, one down pattern, like an ABC type pattern. But I'm definitely still not ruling out the possibility that this does just keep on going up and that this move down over the last month and a half has been nothing but a bear trap. I think it's less likely, but I'm definitely not ruling it out. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, to me it does look like a double three pattern. It looks like one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. That should lead to either one, two, three waves down for a WXY, or it should lead to one, two, three, four, five waves down for more like a traditional ABC. Either way, let's keep going down to the daily time frame. The trend is definitely still down on the daily, at least on the euro dollar. Some other dollar pairs definitely have given us a change of direction, but the euro dollar definitely hasn't yet. So the trend is definitely down. I still think that it should possibly go up and make a correction to this whole move down right here, but it definitely hasn't done so yet, so we really should continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now the thing is if this really is a wave 5, then this most likely will make its way up over the next week or so and break structure, which I still think is the most likely scenario. So I'm going to be a little bit cautious about going long, but I still think the most likely scenario is that we will get a break of structure to the upside probably sometime next week. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this move right here definitely looks very, very corrective. So this little push down right here definitely looks like it possibly is a correction to this last wave up. So if you do see three waves down, especially if you throw your Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here, so if you see three waves down, if you see a Fibonacci retracement bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, you definitely, especially if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below, can be looking for longs right now. You just got to keep in mind that this still could possibly be a correction to this move down. So keep a very close eye on these Fibonacci retracement levels of the push down, because if you do get some sort of a three-way pattern to the upside to a Fibonacci level with a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would still take it as a possible sorting opportunity. But I think more than likely, based on the higher time phase and based on the fact a lot of the other dollar pairs have broken structure, I think it probably will over the next week or so, maybe sometime next week, make its way all the way up here and break structure, proving that that big wave A or wave 1 on the much higher time frames to the downside, like the daily, is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.